Hey guys, CookieXD Gaming here, and today I'm just showing you this weapon that I've got. Yep, you all know what it is. It's the IGN. Yep. So I've got the minigun. I haven't unlocked it. You know when you do the survival things, yeah? Basically, because I'm that level, I can't get it. So level 120, I think. So yeah, when you do the survivals and you reach round 100, not 100, round 10, you get the minigun. Yep, see, you can see they're all pretty scared, running away. So yeah, I recommend to give that a go, because this gun is so good. I went to wave 10, like, I've been 7 times now. I was level 60 and now level 63. That was all from 7 times of getting to 10 rounds. So yeah guys, this was just a little short video. Thanks for watching. Peace.